Hey Albert, hey track fans, hello, and here we are at track 71, and it's an amazing track. You're going to see it all now on the final race. We've seen the track preview, it was amazing. So welcome back. This is Ginetta, excuse me, it's not a lady. It's a Ginetta G6 on the track 71. Let's drive! Straight up and under the bridge and into Bacharach. He's round into Drift Corner. Oh, he's got a kick out already. So round to Hammerhead into Gambon down. There's a little swiggle down there before that hairpin. Under the Bridge of Doom. Round the high R2 there, which was Bentley. We've almost gone round the track again before I finished getting round to Bentley Bend here. So let's bring it round again. So we get some drift. Oh, you missed the drift, but there was a little bit there. Let's see if we can get some on this. No, we can't. Right, let's try and control what we're doing here. Down into the R1 turn there, rapid round there and into this R2 corner, Bentley Bend, straight out, up the long straights into Bacharach and round onto kind of elevated, I don't know what that is, kind of section there, but we like it anyway, track fans. The Ginetta is waiting to be unleashed. See if we can get some drift. Yes, we got a long drift there. Well done, Ginetta. Get in. We're having a great time here, Albert. We've derailed. We're off the track, but we're back on. Ginetta's wasting no time getting underneath the bridge here by the pit lane. Let's bring it around the track. Let's try and keep it under control. Very difficult to drive and film, but, you know, we're doing a good job. Not to quote anyone who also says that. Okay, bringing it round. Let's make this our last lap, track fans. Ginetta's hanging in there really well. Big drift for the last lap. Yeah, awesome stuff, man. Okay, let's bring in. No, let's do another lap. Ginetta wants to play, so let's not deny Ginetta G6 another lap, handling like an absolute dream on this track of twists and turns. There you go. Let's bring it to pole. See you later, Albert. See you later, track fans.